Hey gang, Carl White here. I'm going to give you this little form here today that I think will really help you. So what I'm known for is two primary things. Number one, having a team that closes hundreds of loans each and every month. And then number two, helping loan officers become cash millionaires by giving them free information, right? So real quick story, and then I'll tell you where to get this. Mario Hernandez, he's in our Alliance group. I think January he closed one or two loans for the month, May 3, June 5, and already has 6 scheduled for July. And one of the things he says helps him do that is using this simple little form that we call the Referral Tracker. What this form helps you do is answer 3 essential questions that you have to answer. Number 1, are you getting enough leads? Number 2, are they coming from a source that actually closes? And then number 3, are you closing or converting enough of the leads that you're already getting, right? Which these 3 things all tell you where you should spend more of your time. One thing I've learned is you can only ignore what you're not aware of, and this helps you become aware. So Mario became aware of where his biggest opportunities were, and then doubled down on those very few things and stopped doing all the other things that weren't actually working, that maybe felt like they were until he actually started measuring them. That's how you work less and earn more. It's not a fairy tale. Want a copy? I'll give it to you, and we'll walk you through exactly how to fill this thing out. No questions left unanswered. MMAdemo.com, MMAdemo.com. We'll give it to you, and we'll walk you through it actually for free. And one way we found that if you want to demonstrate you can help people, help them, right? Actually help them first. So, hey, and Mario, congratulations, my brother. Every 300% increase helps. It's your turn. Get your copy, MMAdemo.com.